Hello guys, welcome to ME IT Solutions. And in this video, I want to show you how you can transfer pounds from your PayPal to another PayPal account. Right? All you just need is the email attached to that PayPal. Okay, and you can do this absolutely for free. So I'll be showing you how you can be able to transfer some amount from your PayPal to another PayPal for free. So here's how we do it. Just log into your PayPal. When you log into your PayPal, you click on this icon here. Let me get to open this icon. This one right here. Sorry, this one right here. Send request. So the moment you do that, you just click on it. I believe by now you should have gotten the receiver's email. Okay. The once that is being loaded, an interface like this will pop out. A lot of people have been complaining that they find it quite difficult to send money from PayPal, a PayPal to another PayPal. Note, this is not Nigerian PayPal. So, and people complain that they are having difficulties doing that, and it's actually cost effective. So I'll show you where you can just do that for free. So I believe by now you should have the mail of the recipient. So you just paste that right here. Yes, I already copied it. So that's the mail. So once you paste this mail, the person will give you his full name. Alright? His full name and the mail. Just see if it tallies. Then you go ahead and click on it. This is the next interface is for you to input the amount. So you just input. I want to transfer this £4. Then this place, if you have add a note, you can leave that place empty. Then you click on send. So guys, the moment you click on send, you'll be prompted to see a screen where you have to select what format of transfer do you want to do. Are you paying for goods, or you're just sending a transfer to a close family or friend? So it's always advisable to ensure that family and friends are selected. Please do not click pay for goods and services. Make sure it's the family and friend that's selected. So once the family and friends is selected, you go ahead and click on what complete or send, and immediately you go and see reflect in the recipient's wallet. Alright guys, that's how to send money from one PayPal to another. So if this is your first time tuning into this channel, kindly like and subscribe for subsequent updates will be dropping until I come your way again.